Hey guys, back on Family Cooking Life. So everybody went to sleep, and I'm tired of making elaborate dinners and lunches and breakfast. So for myself, I'm hungry. So sometimes I like to get some instant noodles, but they don't have to be just noodles and water and broth. You can do many things. So if you're like me, I always have some leftover meat, so some leftover pork tenderloin. Grab a mushroom. Grab some carrots, a little bit of celery, fresh green onions, fresh cilantro. So easy, so simple. You start boiling some water, get your pork in there, get all your seasonings in there, throw your noodles in, and voila, you got a 5-minute beautiful Asian fried noodles. Now the fried noodles, yes, I agree, they're not the best, but in a quick pinch and a good, quick kind of Asian dish and some nice broth, this works for me. I like making my own Asian broths and my own broths, but sometimes I just gotta do it. So yeah, check it out. I'll show you how to do it right now. Here we go. Come inside. Done. Soup. Here it goes. Back of the carrots. They take a little longer to cook. Get them in next. And done. Okay, celery. Okay. Done. Now we're gonna take that nice pork tenderloin. So now we'll leave this to the side. Add that closer to the end. You take a big creamy mushroom. Add it in. This stuff takes no time at all. You take one of my limes. I want some lime, some acid in and takes no time at all. We're gonna throw our fried noodles. Super important with these. If you overcook them, they will taste not good. Okay, they're just starting to break up now. These things take about 4 minutes. While that's cooking up, I'm gonna cut my spring onions that I pulled out of the garden today. Done. Okay, a little bit of cilantro. Just run it through once, twice. Done. Okay, let's take a look. Beautiful. One more minute, we'll pull it off and we'll dress it with that. So we're gonna throw the meat in. Start warming that up. These microgreens are radish, mustard, and broccoli microgreens. We'll throw that on the soup. Perfect. Okay, mix that all in. Noodles are looking perfect. Got my pork nice and heated. This is a beautiful soup. Just like that, guys. I know everybody's probably got leftover ingredients in their fridge, whether it be leftover chicken, leftover pork, leftover shrimp. You can do this with any kind of meat. Beautiful. Take your green onions and your cilantro, top, microgreens all around, with nutrients, a little bit of black sesame seeds, and your lime. Voila. Picture perfect 5-minute noodles that everybody says they don't like to eat, but they do anyway for a quick meal. But I can make it quick, healthy, delicious, and fun. Chopsticks with this. Ugh, perfect. Okay, cheers. Oh, it smells amazing. Perfect lunch. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining me on Family Cooking Life. Please like, please subscribe. I'm going to be changing up my banner, linking some Instagram and some other features and Twitter and whatever else that I can get some things going. I'd like to get some traction, get some more subscribers. So please share my videos wherever with your friends, with your family. Get them to share. Thanks a lot for joining. Have a great day. Bye-bye.